Hello, AP Physics 1. I'm walking you through the calendar this week. I'll assume in the future that you know how to read and are able to check this out, but I did want to walk you through the first one so you knew what you were looking at. So, first, at the beginning of each calendar for the week, I'll have a reminder of the acronyms I'm using. FP is Flipping Physics, which is telling you to go on Edpuzzle and watch a Flipping Physics video. WA is Web Assign, you know what that is. PP is Positive Physics, which is where we'll do some online practice as well. And Schoology is going to be abbreviated SCH. So, this is what I want you to do at some point this week, whenever you can. First, there is a discussion question on Schoology that I'd like for you to respond to. I will be posting one of these each week. This one's required so that I know we are all familiar with how to use the discussion forum on Schoology, but the rest of them will be optional just if you're looking to interact with us a little bit. I would also like for you to give yourself a school appropriate profile picture on Schoology. That way, when we are communicating through those forums, it's a little bit more personal. And finally, at some point this week, I want you to join me for just a few minutes in a Google Meet office hour so that I know you know how to do that. All right, daily tasks. Wednesday is just the administrative pieces. There's going to be not any content on Wednesday. It's just, can we get started and set up for the class? I would like for you to sign up for Edpuzzle and for Positive Physics. There's links for each of those on Schoology, and there is also a Schoology page telling you how to register for Positive Physics. I'd like for you to fill out the survey linked in this calendar, which will tell me when you are most available for an office hour time. That way I know when to schedule my office hours so that they're scheduled during times that work well for most of the class. You see this acronym FP, that should be telling you go to Edpuzzle and watch a Flipping Physics video. In particular, this video is telling you how to learn from videos. So using a YouTube video to learn new content is different than watching a TikTok or a YouTube video or something for fun. And it requires a bit more care and deliberation on your part. So he walks you through a little bit of how to do that. Also on Edpuzzle, you'll find an introduction to positive physics, which just walks you through their interface so that you know what you're doing with it. Thursday, I have a few videos I want you to watch to get us started. There's a flipping physics video on Edpuzzle where we're going to talk about moment of inertia, reintroducing you to that concept, and we're going to talk about rotational kinetic energy. There will also be a video posted by me. I haven't done that yet, but I will before the day ends, where it walks you through a rotational kinetic energy problem. On Friday, I would like for you to go to PP, that's Positive Physics, Unit 15, and do the rotational energy problems. And within that, it's a few problems. It's like 2 or 3 problems that talk about rotational energy, which is the concept you learned about the day before. That's our tour of the calendar. That's what these will look like. Pretty much a daily task. One day you might be watching to learn something new. The next day you may be doing a little bit of practice with the content you should have learned from the videos. And we'll pretty much follow that sort of a trend each week. If you have any questions, let me know.